Hey guys, at BV Matson here. Here's the trick to getting those knee pads off of your vintage CB gas tank.
These things. I don't know. I feel like I should pull up CMSNL or something and see how these work. I'd love to get that off. There's a lip where the rubber goes over. There's a lip where the rubber goes over. Oh, do you mean that this rubber piece flips onto like something that's welded into the tank, Aaron? If that's the case, I don't really want to mess with this then, because the chances of me breaking that are extremely high. Aaron. Aaron is a freaking genius. He just clued us into how this works. There is just a lip. But here it is. Aaron, you got the gold star of the day, buddy. It just pulls out of here. And we got it warm thanks to Roger's tip. So it's going to come right off of here. That's how that works, baby.
When you know the secret, things tend to go pretty well. A little bit of heat helped that thing loosen up and get right off of that tank. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next live stream or video.